You know, I had a dream when I was a kid. When I grew up, I want to be a farmer. Now it's a dream come true moment. Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. This is Byanca, this is Reina. So today is Eden's birthday, so we're heading to Qindao to celebrate her birthday. I think it's gonna be very, very fun because we're gonna have around like over 30 people in this birthday party. And yeah, it's like a birthday party in the big village, so let's see. And right now we're driving. It's about like 1.5 hours. So. We're just stopping by getting some gas, and I saw some super cute vintage cars, even like a toy. 这个是送的吗? Is it a gift? Oh, yeah. Thank you. Okay, thank you. They give us some water.
1,310 baht.
That's good. Okay. I'll pay. Right after we drive in this little alley, it feels so peaceful. Okay, yeah, I think yes. Yes. 我觉得是吧? Oh yes. Oh, there we go. That's the house. Okay, we have arrived. Look at this pretty house. Wow, this is so cool. This is actually the door. I'm gonna give you guys a tour later on. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. Oh my god, those things as well. Welcome back. 好美呀！
是跟你来的时候，
对呀，完全不一样了。Tiger，Hello。
你要坐那个房子。
Tiger，对呀，对，好好看呀。
在哪个位置嘛？
你就打孟买，是打孟买的这个面。水果超级多，这是吗
？Everything is white. I feel like this is my wedding today.
We're just getting ready now. The party is actually around like evening. I just want to come here a little bit earlier to help to set up everything, get everything ready. And right now we're just putting those flowers out and gonna head out for lunch or breakfast, whatever. I haven't eaten anything yet. So yeah, there's like tons of new stuff here. Definitely gonna tour you guys around in the coming days, but today I think I have to be, focus on Ina's birthday party.
Lucky. So annoying.
You guys still remember Baloo? So we got one more dog here right now. Tiger, come here. So Tiger here is the brother of Baloo. They were both in the dog park. Nobody wants them, so Eden took them home.
Blue is a girl.
Yes.
Blue is a girl. Tiger is a boy.
Look who's here. Oh my god. Going for lunch. We're going to this like Chinese Yunnan food. I showed you guys before. Super authentic. So yeah, gonna go there for lunch. This dude is like standing at his motorbike. Oh, look at him. Yeah. 卖力表演，怪不得 Showtime！ 太好笑了，怪不得抄我。Guys, this is no filter. Look at this.
哇，好蓝啊
！Yeah.
左边这里。
Yes.
这边进去。
There we go. This is our restaurant. Yay. In a very local restaurant, they got tons of fruits that they just like plant themselves. So over here we got fruit stand, which is, you can just come here, take some for yourself. So we got some banana here, pineapple, coconut, mango as well. And this is guava.
6 7มี7แก้วไหม辣他们那边是酸辣
Sweet picked. Okay, come on. What you got there? Yeah, this is also.
there.
Yeah, wow.
fresh.
I think we should go take a walk later on to see what they have.
Pick some fruits for my party.
Yeah. How is it?
I like it. So
Yeah.
good.
Got some
Wow,
sausage.
looks so good.
And some
没
eggs.
吃过了，他也吃。
We've got some soup over there as well. Chicken soup. This is one of their signature
Yeah,
dish, right?
yeah. Black bone. This is black chicken.
我想要拍那个盆子啊，问题是。
不要动，好。
Okay.
哇，
好啦，可以啦。Oh, there's a lot more. Ah, this is avocado. Avocado with the pork.
ผักหมู
That's the meal. And the owner wants to give Eden some gifts, some mangoes. Eden is planting some bamboo. You know, I had a dream when I was a kid. I'm like, when I grow up, I want to be a farmer. And that's a dream come true moment.
Let's see how deep you can dig. How's it going? Tiger.
Hi guys. 3 of them.
All coming.
Careful, careful. Dogs are crazy about the kitten over there. Candy! Candy, no! You crazy girls! What are you doing here?
That is catching us. Hi. I know what
I don't think you can hide behind me.
you can hide nothing. You can hide in the ground.
Look at this birthday girl. I like your chipao. So pretty.
Everything bamboo. I even have
Yeah.
bamboo. 哎，我们在这边拍上一个。哎，这跟我这个很搭，是不是？
对，我给你拍张照吗？
I have so many durians today.
Really?
Yeah, thank you.
It is finally about the party time, so we're setting up a few stuff here to get the party ready. There's like a tent. That is our neighbor June. Hey. So yeah, we got lots of friends already arrived. Kayla, do you like it today so far? Yeah. Hopefully it's not going to be raining because yeah, the weather is not that great.
Yeah.
so tiny though.
No, it's not for you, but thank you. Really? Okay.
欢迎来到巨人国。
It's not for me. This is the neighbor.
OK OK。哇，你呢？
哇，ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากค่ะโอ้หนัก Okay, wani.
Wani.
Planes.
What's the avocado?
This is 4 different types of avocado.
4 different type of avocado. Okay, yeah. Okay.
This is like a bear on the back.
Yeah.
And this is lucky chestnut.
Lucky. Dumpling. I'm surprised she can actually.
So cute. Another avocado tree.
Thank you so much.
It's Pinkerton.
Pinkerton. Okay. Yeah. You need to use a bigger knife.
Oh yeah! Oh my god, that's a really big one. Yeah.
Oh my god, I sweat so much. I should put a candle on this. Yeah.
Really?
This should be my birthday cake.
So pretty! Happy birthday! Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video and make it this far. If you're new here, my name is Byanca. In early 2020, I left home for a week trip, ended up stuck outside of my own country. For the past 2 years, I've been gypsy around the world until I can get a ticket to fly back home. I use YouTube to document this incredible journey. In the beginning, it was just a place for me to storage all the good memories, but as time flies by, my pocket is getting smaller and smaller. Now I treat YouTube as my full-time job and I'm working on it every single day. Recently, I have started my own Patreon. This is a place for people who ever want to support me on this journey or just simply wanted to encourage me to create more contents as YouTube income is really not stable. I'll put the link of my Patreon in the description box. Any amount is appreciated. No stress at all. Hope to see you there. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next video.